Alright, we're taking a PT pump off a n14 Cummins, mechanical Cummins. It's got the STC valve right there. So you got your suction hose coming off your filter. Feeds the pump, and then you got your, that's a shut off fuel solenoid. That's your shut off. This is your pressure line. Goes to the back of the head. And that's where it feeds on these mechanical Cummins, and even on the electronic n14s. And this would be your return. So you got four mounting bolts. We need to get the S wrenches out for the back ones. And then you got your springs. This one has a Jake brake micro switch that was mounted on the pump there that hooks up to the throttle here. He's taking this off to get it rebuilt, so it shouldn't take me too long to do, I hope. So this is a PT pump, like a big cam Cummins. A lot of pretty much every old Cummins motor had one of these. You got your drive coupler up on the front. There's an isolator that goes in there. Really a great pump. This one's just leaking, so he's gonna get a reman and put it on there, have this one rebuilt. I'm not sure, but this bolt back here is really hard to get out. Inspect your drive coupler, make sure that's looking good. It looks fine. Inspect the coupler on the air compressor. Everything looks good. So he's gonna get this rebuilt, and we'll put it back in when I get it back.